Hey guys, Jared Wesley here of Live Traders. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing a little trade recap today, guys, but it was not a good day. In fact, it was the worst day I've had all month. In fact, it was the worst day I've had in the last 3 months, actually. So it was a really crappy day today. I took 2 trades on NLSN, and they both stopped out full. And I also took a trade on DY, and that stopped out as well. I just wanted to take a minute and talk to you guys about that. Not the individual trades per se, because I do have the trading montage to follow this so you can see what I actually traded, where I actually traded, and what happened today. But a couple things you want to take from today, okay? There's positives and negatives today, okay? The negatives from today are simply that I really liked Amazon a lot. It was one of my favorite ideas today. I mentioned it multiple times to the chat room, over $1,900, again, over $1,910, and I didn't take it in any one of those occasions. And yet, my gut said NLSN was not looking good. It was showing relative weakness, and I was long on it, which is not a good thing. So I have a very specific, detailed trading plan, but I was allowed to get out of NLSN, and I chose not to. What happens sometimes to traders, guys, and me too, just not that often, is that you get down on your first trade, maybe your second trade, and you're on your third trade of the day. So I'm -2, okay? And you start to drink the hopium. Right, so I'm sitting here thinking, I know NSLN's not looking that good, but maybe it's still going to work. When you know really deep down inside, it's not going to work. It did nothing right. It was a nice pattern over $25, okay, but it pulled back almost immediately after it triggered, which is not what's supposed to happen on that type of pattern. So I knew better. You can see it in the trading montage to follow this. I mentioned multiple times, guys, I should get out of NLSN. It's not looking good. We should get out. We should get out. I should have done that. So that was a mistake on my part. Overall, it was a poor trading day for me. Okay, the first NLSN, I don't have a problem taking a shot at that. But shorting the DY, that was a mistake. I don't normally short $70 or $80 stocks that are already down 20+%. That was a mistake, bar none a mistake. When you go back and review your trades, which you should do every day, that comes up as a glaring red flag mistake for me. Okay, so the first NLSN, I'm okay with. It just didn't work. The DY, not a good trade. And then the NLSN, the second NLSN, I knew better. I should have gotten out. I don't mind trying the trade. It looked good. But once it started after 5, 6, 7 minutes into it and it wasn't looking good, I should have walked away from it. Now, on to the positive side of things, guys. There's always 2 sides to every coin, okay? The positive side of things is that my maximum loss is -3. Okay, and I was risking $500, then I lost $1,600. That's with fees, with slippage, with everything. So I stopped at basically -3. I lost 3.1, 3.2 R, okay? That's positive. Some of you guys out there, you just keep clicking the button, and then that -3 turns to -5 or -10, and all of a sudden you're dwindling your account down. It's going to take you 1 or 2 weeks to get that back. Guys, I've seen traders lose 30, 40 R in a month. That's 30 times their risk, 40 times their risk. Guys, it's going to take you 1 or 2 months just to get that back. So think about it. The losing month, then 1, 2 months to get it back. You've just given up 3 months of your entire trading year because of a boneheaded play or a boneheaded month because you weren't adhering to proper money management, okay? One of the things I'm always good for, guys, period, no ifs, ands, or buts, I always follow my money management rules, guys. I've never in my life ever blown up a trading account. Not even one time have I blown up a trading account. Why? Money management. Blowing up a trading account is not a badge of honor. It's just downright stupid. Okay, now, one last comment before I wind this up today. Guys, I tried to get SYY. This stock, SYY here, it finished with 8 million shares today. I tried to get into this thing earlier in the day. It had a beautiful, okay, let me blow this up for you real quick, okay? Beautiful 2-minute 3-bar play, okay? See it right here in the middle of the screen. Wide bar, narrow bar, blast off. I mentioned, you can see it in the trading montage. I mentioned at 72.25 with a stop loss at 71.60, a 65-cent stop loss. I put an order in and tried to get it. Oh, it sat there for 30 seconds, 45 seconds, no fill, no fill, no fill, no fill. See, guys, that's reality trading. I even hit the bid, even hit market and got nothing. Why? It wasn't doing that much volume at that time. It was only doing at that time about 75,000 shares for the entire day. All right. So myself and a lot of other traders in the room were trying to get it, and none of us got it. I think one person out of 10 or 20 people that tried actually got it. Okay. So that's reality trading. You're going to hear from other people out there, oh, I got a lot of shares of this and I made a ton of money on that, etc., and so forth. Guys, that's not true. Okay, it's just not the way it is. I'm showing you how things really are out there. Okay, so today is a bad day, and I'm showing you my bad day as much as my good day. So I had a pretty good week last week. All right, almost $3,000, and I gave back half of that today. So what's likely going to happen? I'm going to give you the play-by-play this week. It's probably going to take me until Wednesday to get back this money. And then that will hopefully leave me Thursday and Friday to make a little bit of money. So by starting off the week so poorly, and I did not trade well today, it's going to set me back this week. It's really not going to give me an opportunity to make great money. Now, I could be wrong, and this might end up being a great week. But from my experience, generally, when I start the week this poorly, okay, usually I'll have a mediocre week. So I'm going to say I'm going to make $1,000 or $2,000 this week. That's not great. Now remember, guys, I'm still doing that trading experiment, and by the time we get to October, November, December, I'll be up to $1,000 risk, and what you're going to be seeing is $5,000 to $10,000 weeks, not months, weeks. So by the end of the year, you should be seeing $5,000 to $10,000 weeks from me. You're going to be seeing $20,000 to $40,000 months, real money, not BS stuff like everybody else doing, real money. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this little recap, guys. Like I said, I do it good days and I do it on the bad days. And today was about as bad of a day as I'll ever have, and I'm still putting it out there for you guys to learn from. And again, on the SYY, that's real trading. I really tried to get this. I called it for the room, didn't get any shares of it. That would have changed my day tremendously. Maybe would have had a small, maybe a minus $500 day if I catch SYY. Oh well, that's not what actually happened. Okay, theory trading is one thing, guys. Armchair warrior trading is one thing. Real money trading is something completely different. Guys, there's a lot of great technical educators out there. Guys and girls who can teach charts extremely well, okay? But there are very, very few traders who can translate the theory of the book into actual money. Okay, so a lot of the people that you're hearing from out there, they're all trading simulator accounts, 99% of them, guys. I would put my children's lives on that. That's how confident I am, okay? So again, I hope you enjoyed learning from this. Even on the negative days, there was some positive. I stopped at my predetermined limit, okay? You have to follow rules to be a successful trader. Jared Wesley, Live Traders, guys, stick around for that montage, and I'll see you back again tomorrow, right? Take care, guys. All right, guys, so we're going to open it here in less than a minute. You guys already know which ones I'm looking at. I like NLSN over the 25.75 area. I might be in this one very early. And I like Amazon. I really do. Over 1900, Amazon's pretty good. The problem is the stop loss. You probably have to give it $4 or $5 on the stop loss. And Amazon, man, you wouldn't think it, but this thing eats up a lot of buying power. A lot. You know, I need 100 shares of this with a $5 stop. That's $180,000, $190,000. All right, SYY, guys, here it is. 60-cent stop, guys.
Order filled.
All right, let's see, guys. All right, I'm out NLSN for my other shares, okay? All right, guys, SYY, I don't know what the fill is going to be, but here it's going to be 71.25 by 71.60. 71.25 by 71.60, guys. SYY, 71.25. I don't know why it's not filling me. By 71, wow, the 75,000 shares. Hold on one sec, guys. This thing's doing 3-4 million, and I'm not getting any fills. Huh. Do you see this, guys? I'm getting no fill at all. My order's been sitting here for forever. I'm getting nothing on this thing. Anybody? Did you guys get filled on this thing? I got nothing on it. Did you guys get anything? My order sat there for like 2 minutes. Something's up. Gosh darn it on SYY, guys. Really? Come on. You know what I mean? Nice pattern there. We all tried to get it. That's real trading. You know, if this was somebody else, they'd be telling you how they got 1 million shares of this thing, and you know they're up $1 gazillion on it. Oh, I made 70 grand today. No, you didn't. Look at it. I mean, nothing. SYY buy. Nothing on it. I don't know. Ripping. NLSN, guys. I'm going to try this right here, guys, with a... shit. I'm going to leave the order in. Guys. I was going to say 25 by 24.70, guys. All right. 25 by 24.70.
Order
if I can
filled.
get it. All right. There it is. 25 by 24.70. Let's see what happens, guys. So NLSN 25 by 24.70. Baby, what's up with you today? Nope, not gonna do it, guys. It's not gonna do it. Wow, kind of surprised, honestly. I really am. I thought this was gonna get it done today, but I guess not. Now Tesla's rolling. Probably another tweet came out. Just kidding. NLSN, guys, have your stops in. It's probably gonna stop out. That's kind of bummed. I hitched my carriage to this thing today, and I'm wrong on it. Here it goes. Going to stop out.
Filled.
There it is. I'm out. All right, NLSN, stop. I'm finding this to be a very, very, very choppy day. Not seeing anything I really like. I do like, though, this DY at 69.70. But it's very tough. I have a bad feeling NLSN shook me. This is one I might get back into, guys. We're going to wait and see on this. We'll see. DY, guys, is a decision to make today. 69.70. It's about $1.50 stop. Right, 69.70 by 71.30, $1.50 stop on this thing. I'm gonna give it a shot.
Order
right there,
filled.
guys. I'm gonna give this thing a shot. All right, here it is. DY 69.70 by 71.30. All right, it's $1.40 on the stop. It's aggressive. Guys, I might have to get back in NLSN, guys. I'm going to get back in this. This could be an ugly day, but 25 by 24.70 NLSN. DY. Oh man. All right, guys. Have your stops in on DY. This is ugly, man. What is going on today? What is going on today? All right, NLSN 25 by 24.70. All right, I'm gonna leave that there. DY, man, I'm gonna be down 2R here in a second. This thing, look at that, guys. It sucked everybody in on purpose, right there. I mean, that was like a purposeful drop, right? And then a big volume on the high side comes in. And this thing is definitely looking higher at this point. There's no way this thing holds at this point. It's tempting actually to flip it. It's really tempting to flip that. That was a beautifully executed HFT hose job. Beautifully executed. Drop, suck all the shorts in like me, and all right, down 2R at the moment, guys. Down 2R. NLSN, guys, I'm gonna have my order in for this thing. I don't know, man. I wasn't able to get any.
Order filled.
All right, there's that NLSN. We're gonna see what happens, guys. In the middle, Amazon over guys. Amazon over 1910 is not bad. This thing has put in a microscopic day today. right? So you could actually get Amazon over 1910 by 1905. So I'm going to say watch it, all right? Watch Amazon over 1910, stop 1905, idea only. Expecting that. Amazon is the best thing I see. The truth, it's the best. Money management-wise, I can't take it unless I get out of NLSN. But 1910 by 1905, $5 stop loss, it's the best thing I see. NLSN, again, is not leaving me feeling very good. In fact, my intuition says to get out of this thing. Normally, when they mess around like this, they don't work. So I'm probably going to take half off, maybe all of it if it breaks 25 again. All right, at this point, I'm going to ride it. But that topping tail again at 25.08. Tough, guys, on NLSN. It's holding, but that is not the trigger I want to see on the 5, guys. In fact, I'm going to get out of this thing if it pops 25 again. I just had an opportunity, relative strength-wise. I bet you I missed getting out of NLSN, guys. Damn it. This thing comes back up to 25.05 or so. I'm gonna definitely look to walk away. I might add at 25.15 if it gets there. See VWAP at 25.13. That's why. And you can see right here on the 2-minute 25.12. So that's a possibility. Take half off there and add it back up here if it comes back up. It may not though. Amazon, guys, up 1R. Damn it. There was a nice pattern too on Amazon. That 2-minute was really nice. Here comes NLSN, guys. Damn it. I'm just off today, guys. Here it comes. NLSN's going to stop. Here it comes, guys. Yeah, no problem, Ian. I'm a little frustrated today. Got to stick with the gut, guys. When you see something that has relative strength, you have to go with it. And Amazon is that stock today. And I'm going to be down 3R, which is by far the worst day of the month. We're up like 10R for the month. Maybe 11, but today's going to take 3 of those away. The way this is looking. Almost definitely, guys. And I'm sitting here watching Amazon and I'm going, gosh, it's great. Relative strength, it's great, it's great, it's great. And I'm stuck in a stock that's got relative weakness. And that's on me.
Order
All right, I'm out, guys. I'm out, NLSN. Just a bad trading day. Just poor trading on my part, guys. So there it is, guys. That was the day, minus $1,650 some today. When I'm having a bad day like that, guys, one of the things I almost always do is go to the gym. Okay, and that's what I did today. But instead of going to the gym, I actually took a jog outside in the hot Arizona sun and just blew the stink off, burned the sweat off, guys. Came home, took a bit of a cold shower, and just come back now and do this review for you guys, review the charts myself, and we'll get back at it tomorrow. That's just the way it goes, guys. All right, so again, if you're having a bad day, everybody wants to know, how do you overcome a bad day? You go back and study what you did wrong. You just reset and come back in tomorrow with a fresh mindset. Guys, it's one day, okay? It's one day. We were up every day last week, and we have one down day. It is what it is, okay? So have a good one, guys, and I'll talk to you again soon. Jared Wesley, Live Traders.